2022. We've got external barbecue point, external 230 volt plug, so external power out into your awning. Coming inside, we've got our seating to the front, lovely curtains, fly screens and blinds all the way around, our lovely panoramic roof in the top, and a nice big skylight. We've got our control panel, and we've got Aldi central heating. We've got little spotlights all the way around. Got a nice side unit there that you could put your coffee machine on, you could put your TV on, and again lots of storage all the way through. We've got a nice big chest of drawers at the front, and again the little table pulls out of here, so we've got a little coffee table. And then at the front we've got two 30 volt sockets, USB sockets, and again more lighting and cupboards. We've got a radio, speakers, radio, little flappy upper unit. We've got our fridge, so again our three-way fridge that can't open. And then we've got our microwave, we've got our sink, we've got our oven, and then we've got our washroom. Hello, give us a wave. And then sort of got our Aldi central heating, we've got our cassette toilet, and then we've got our bed at the back and our wardrobes around. And again there's sockets in the bedroom area, so there's TV on that wall, so we could put a bracket on that wall if we wanted to.